Inoko, I'll come.
Wewe patiana commentary. So for those wondering, we are Turismo Motors. I'll see you. Turismo Motors. It is located 50 meters from Ngong Road. Hizo mataa mnaona hapo ni Ngong Road. So we are introducing a new brand to the market. It is called Sharmax. They are speed bikes, beginners speed bikes, 250 cc's, 300s. I'm going to do a detailed video on them. Hii inakaa like the Ducati Street Fighter. I'm going to do a full walkthrough of all the bikes. But today we are unboxing the GP 400, which is a 400cc twin cylinder, which will be the flagship model for the Sharmax. Nani huyo anapiga kelele huko? So there you go, the first start of the QJ motor 400cc twin cylinder. Kwa wale wajesikia hii kampuni, this is the second largest manufacturer in China ya bikes. Alafu unaona even the tires. The tires are Maxis. Maxis sana sana utawapata a brand from South Africa, I think. So this is real rubber, not nylon. So hii bike unaona they have not cut corners. 400cc EFI, kona ABS. So that was the first start. Tuipata hapa kwa showroom yetu. Yeah. Bei kwa wale wanauliza ni 1150. Yani 1,150,000 Kenyan shillings. And that is inclusive of VAT. So hii ukishanunua mwanzo kusumbuana na KRA sijui nini. Ukikuja ununue number plate, you get it within 2 days. Au sio? Kuna zingine pia I will walk you around in the next video. Hii ilikuwa tu ya unboxing of the GP400 QJ motor GP401. Kwa wale wajui ni Turismo Motors. Turismo Motors tuko Oledume Road. See you on the next one.